So I don't know what's happening to my cat, but he's been like spitting out some weird saliva. Let me get a better shot. There's my cat. What's up, Rambo? And dang, hold up. Here's the saliva he's been kind of throwing out. He's been throwing out a lot of it too. You can't see it right there. This stuff is everywhere, all on my clothes, on the floor, but you can't see it on the floor. So, I don't know, man. What's happening to him? He might be sick. I'm kind of worried about him, but there's no veterinarian near us, so can't really do anything about it. Hope he doesn't die or have rabies.